Hello students, I am Varsha Chandani. Welcome to this journey of learning beautiful art called brush calligraphy. If you're someone who wants to learn brush calligraphy, then I have designed this beautiful course for you. It has all the details that are required, plus I have added few practice worksheets and PDF of art supplies required. In this course, I have covered everything from basic, like what is brush calligraphy, about guidelines, basic principles, common mistakes to avoid, formation of lowercase letter, uppercase letter, then how you can connect those words, practicing words together. Then I have added watercolor background, composing a quote, then few other tips and tricks to improve your calligraphy. So if you want to learn at your own pace, this course is perfect for you. If you want to join, check details. Thank you. Bye-bye.